Surprise!
Oh!
Oh, no, you hate it.
No, it's not that.
It was that.
It's... maybe we could...
And that's when Judy came up with the idea of turning this into this, for just this much.
Maybe we could change it up a little?
Oh, montage time.
Is this real linen?
Yes. So Nan's couch got a second life and all was good until they had to change it up a little.
Hello.
Darling, I've decided we're going to have my 60th birthday at your place. Oh, and I want everything nice and blue. And if it isn't... Oh, that's Duchess's yoga instructor. Love you. Bye.
But this unreasonable request was no problem. ComfortWorks makes it easy to change it up a little,
You're fired!
as often as you like. Why get a new couch when your perfectly good couch can look perfect, making every picture Instagrammable every time? It's how we earn thousands of 5-star reviews. ComfortWorks wants to extend the life of your furniture and expand your style options. It's flexibility, affordability, and sustainability all rolled into one perfectly made to fit your couch and your life package.
Did you do that?
No, wasn't me.
Whatever happens next, Comfort Works. Go to comfort-works.com to find change that fits today.